Hey, future leaders and innovators, ready to carve your path in the entrepreneurial world? Today, we're here with 7 exciting business ideas perfect for young adults looking to make a mark in 2024. Let's get started. Number 1. Social media branding agency. First on our list, a social media branding agency. With every brand vying for attention online, your knack for social media can help businesses stand out. Offer services like content creation, strategy planning, and influencer partnerships. Number 2. Eco-friendly product line. Sustainability is not just a trend, it's a necessity. Create products that are both green and innovative, from biodegradable goods to sustainable fashion. Number 3. Tech solutions for seniors. As technology advances, create apps or devices tailored to improve the life quality of seniors, focusing on health monitoring, social connection, or simplified tech use.
Are you ready to earn $10,000 plus in your first month with zero investment? Yes, you heard right. No investment needed. Introducing our 100% free online workshop designed specifically for beginners. And the best part? It only requires 30 minutes of work a day. Register now and receive 2 exclusive bonuses worth $237. Absolutely free. Your new financial future awaits. Check the video description for your free registration link and claim your spot in our life-changing workshop. See you there.
Number 4. Virtual event planning. The demand for online events and conferences has skyrocketed. Dive into planning and executing unforgettable virtual experiences, from webinars to online weddings. Number 5. Niche subscription boxes. Curate and deliver personalized experiences right to doorsteps. Whether it's themed around self-care, gourmet foods, or geek culture, subscription boxes can cater to every interest. Number 6. Mobile app development. Got a groundbreaking app idea? This is your sign to bring it to life. Focus on solving common problems or enhancing daily life through unique, user-friendly apps. Number 7. Health and fitness coaching. Last but not least, health and fitness coaching. With a growing emphasis on wellness, offer personalized coaching services online. From nutrition plans to workout routines, help clients achieve their health goals. And there you have it, 7 innovative business ideas for young adults ready to make waves in 2024. The future is bright, and it's yours for the taking. So, which idea sparked your interest? If you found this video inspiring, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and share your thoughts or your own business ideas in the comments below. Until next time, keep dreaming big and making moves.